Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a Food Diary. Stop eating unhealthy snacks. Today I'm going to show you a super tasty, high protein, and weight loss friendly snack you can make in minutes. Black chickpea chaat. It's healthy, filling, and full of flavor. Bowl with spoon ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup boiled black chana, 1 small onion, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, green chili, optional, lemon juice, black salt, roasted cumin powder, fresh coriander. Pot of food. Step 1. Prep chickpeas. First, take your boiled black chickpeas. Make sure it's soft but not overcooked. If you're meal prepping for weight loss, you can boil a batch and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. This saves time and makes healthy eating easy. Green salad. Step 2. Add veggies. Now add chopped cucumber, onion, tomato, and fresh mint. These veggies add crunch, freshness, and extra fiber which helps keep you full for longer. If you like spicy food, add a little green chili too. Lemon. Step 3. Flavor time. Now squeeze fresh lemon juice over it. Add chaat masala, salt, black pepper and roasted cumin seeds. These spices give amazing street-style chaat flavor without adding extra calories. Mix everything really well so every bite is packed with taste. Fire. Final touch and serve. Now add fresh coriander on top. Look at this, healthy, colorful, and super appetizing. You can enjoy it as breakfast, evening snack, or even post-workout meal. High voltage. This is perfect for weight loss because it's high in protein, high in fiber, and keeps you full for hours. Try it today and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another recipe. Take care for now. Bye bye.